Okay, guys, I am so excited right now. I updated Gorilla Tag, and I just hear the sound outside, and I am just so enjoyed. I haven't looked outside yet, but we're gonna check it. I gotta put this on a casual lobby. Oh my god. This is where like the umbrellas actually come to use. Oh my god. Everybody put on your rain gear. Put on the rain gear. Hey, come here. I got you, bro. I got you. Your egg is gonna get wet. I don't want you to get wet. You might want to get back over there. Yeah, go. Yep, there you go.
I want to be blinded.
Everything, the textures just change. Everything's like blue. I also saw some like rain and canyons. There's half rain and canyon. No, canyon's still the same. Wait, I never. Now, I want to check the maps and see if anything. Gear comes in use. It's actually raining. I'm gonna go play in puddles if there's even rain. Yo, is there any puddles? I'm trying to jump in some.
I'm gonna go check over here.
Well, you're gonna leave. This is sick. The textures just change. Everything just change. Oh my god. Wait. The light. How's the light still on though? How's the light still on? Also, the rain is kind of like going it's also midnight. It looks like dry sky. But that's it for the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the new Gorilla Tag update with texture and with rain. And yeah, bye guys.